Hello there. Today I show you real watercolor art Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. This action boost your creative level 50x percent, and below are the essential step to ensure the action run perfectly and delivery a masterpiece every time. Okay, this is the previously apply effect, our original your original photography, and this is our script result. So uh, another, this is the mock-up decoration. See the layer arrangement, all layer are separate. And open your photography, just brush area, shortcut way brush, no skill needed. We show the shortcut selection and the brush fill option, then apply effect, and this is the result, real color replace and real watercolor so another one and another one. Any type of photography, this action work nicely. See that. So now I show you how to use it. See, HD quality, any size resolution image work perfectly. You process on time, use unlimited time. Okay, the color version. Now go my download file, there is the brush file, help file, pattern file, and preview. This is the script file. So how to use, you can read the help file, there is some information written format use, and already you have watched this video, so done it. Select and double, this is the shortcut way, select and double click your mouse, then it's loaded your Photoshop automatically. If not your PC Photoshop, you can download Photoshop, then use our script. So, or you can load the brush manually. I show you step by step, just follow this video. Go window and brush panel, click, just find out the brush panel, there the brush option, click there, and brush panel show, see the brush and more option, click there and input brush, and find out my download file, real watercolor art. Select the brush, there is only show brush format because we have load the brush toolbar. Use the brush toolbar option, select the brush and load button, click, now it's loaded. Now go window again, and the pattern we need to load. Select the pattern and pattern toolbar show, and go more option and input pattern, and find out my download file there and go this option. Now pattern is show, select the pattern and load button, click, pattern is loaded. Go window and action option, click, see the action option, click. Now action option show maybe the right side, I have set it left side for better watching purpose. The more option, click, and same way load the action and find out my download file and select watercolor and load it. See the last one, this is the up and down option, and this is the folder real watercolor art by MRI Kokon, and this is the script. Now we want to load any type of photography. Open your photography. So this time I have used this photography, and make sure some step, and your photography already have a set, so skip this step. If not, then check out must be. Make sure your photography RGB color mode. If not RGB, then go image mode RGB color, just click there and automatically set it RGB. If show any message, click the OK button. Then make sure your photography is a lock icon show, background name, background and lock icon show there. Sometimes some photography look like transparent PNG format or layer 0 format like this. This is not accept layer 0 or transparent PNG, not accept our script. So how to fix it? If your photography is a transparent or layer 0 or others format, you need to right button click the layer option, and there is the fit in option, click, just click there, right button click and the photo option layer, and right button click and the fit in option show, and click the fit in. Now is set a lock icon show and background name, background image size. You can use any high resolution image. See there is already high resolution image, but I use there now 3500 pixel for standard resolution. You can use any high resolution. This script support any high resolution image. Now set is set and easy to we have select the area. Previously I say go selection and select subject button, click. Now is select your photography automatically in the subject area. See, and now create a new layer and double click the new layer, one text option there, and edit there BRUSS. Update this same spelling include my help file, or you can watch there BRUSH brush. Do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase, lowercase mix up, only lowercase, and click the other area. Now I set and fill up. You can use the brush tool and default sub general brush and brush the area, or you can use the fill up full area, not the protected area we need. Then you can paint bucket tool and select any light color. You can use any color of them, like black color or any other color. Just click the color toolbar and select any other color. Okay, and already you have a pen bucket tool and pick the color in brush layer. Make sure you have pick the color brush layer and selection mode is on. Now we need to select and deselect if our working is finished. Must be deselect, then apply the script. Deselect. See, if some area mistake, you can use the brush tool, select the brush tool and the soft brush tool, and make sure you brush layer selected and brush the area. See, no, do not need any experience, just brush normal way. If think any area mistake your auto selection, then you can use. Now we want is prepare and we apply our script. Okay, watch perfectly. Select all in on play action, play me. Select this one and already brush layer selected. Play me and hit this icon, this play icon, hit this play icon, and now start working automatically, and all layers are separately arranged. Just wait and see. And if the finish, then I show you how to customize and solve if create any issue. If not perfect your image match, then how to combine and how to generate the more effect and full boost up your creative level. You can use freehand customization and your creative brain there, and unlimited result is possible. This is the finishing result message, like our script is working done properly, and there is some mention our supporting information. If you need any support, then you can message or email or contact us. Okay, this is the default setting. See, watch. Default setting is the general standard setting, so you can combine yourself. And now I have introducing the all layer. See, all layer are separate. There is a all layer top and maximum layer is unchecked, because you can combine yourself, and there is the layer I have now introducing. See the arrow, that means the this folder is opened now. Okay, and another arrow folder is opened. This is unchecked full area. If you need the paper full area, then you can check like our canvas full area, and uncheck this one for our masking area. But the default setting is, I think the standard looking is nice, and others area is blank. And also you can make very easily the transparent PNG for this effect, and you can uncheck this one, then see the looking. And this is the effect combination in backward. See, and this is the paper. You can back our photography if you want to the transparent PNG. Uncheck the all. Okay, and the top position paper, or just all paper uncheck, and then is transparent PNG. See, you can save it. Sorry for screen. Save file and export, quick export transparent PNG. Okay, and now again you have used this one, and background color okay, and paper, and there is the adjustment. You can use the adjust if you think the adjustment needed. Double click this option and you can combine the effect, see, level, but this time I have not needed. I just show you another one and another one. And this is the dark area for our watercolor option, and another full area of photo replace the posterized looking. See, this is extra effect. You can place the effect if needed some area and look like this, okay. And there is the manual option, our effect looking, see the all area. This is the like a water wash looking I have used. You can uncheck this one, use another one, that module, and another one, see, but I have used this one for now. The color option, you can use the color, and another black and white option. This is you can uncheck this one, exclusive black, then faded option show. And this is the paper, and this is the real color tone, photography real color tone, and combine effect. You can use another one and another option. You just uncheck this one and another looking, and combine dual color, see, and uncheck this one and use this one, the little color, pastel color looking. And now you can use this one, the color option, outside area. If you use the color photography and outside need the color, so you can use this color option, another one color, and a dual color combination. See, now is more hard, but I do not need this one. This is the full area, and this is the marks area, and extra color option. If you use the extra color option, then add a extra color, more colorful, see, and use this one and uncheck this one. Now another looking, and the color effect, see the combination, another one and another one, hide this, and you can use this, the solid option. This is need sometime if you want to your photo realistic more, then you can use this option, and also you can lace, then our effect show. Was it okay? And another one, this is the posterized looking, and we can lace the effect, okay. And there is the colorful option, color multicolor, and the photo shade, the full area, shading, and the marks area, and the full area photography, okay. So thanks for watch this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, and you can purchase this product our marketplace. Visit our shop, MRI Studio, Creative Market, and Creative Fabrica, MRI Studio, MRI Cocoon for Graphics River, and also visit our Adobe stock, see, and subscribe to our channel, and also visit our on-site. This is our on-site, www.photoshopaction.net, and flash sale is available in flash sale category, 50%. You can find out the all link, check out the video description. I have included all link.